Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to backup Tonkeeper recovery phrase. So if you also want to backup Tonkeeper recovery phrase, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tonkeeper application. You can see over here Tonkeeper is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in order to backup the recovery phrase, all you have to do is go to settings, tap on the settings icon that you can see at the top right corner. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Find the option for backup, tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see option for backup manually. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Read these informations very carefully. Now tap on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your passcode. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the recovery phrase over here. You can screenshot it. Simply press on the volume down button and power off button. You can see over here it will be screenshotted. Now click on the option check backup. Now you'll have to enter the words right over here. Check the screenshot. Enter the words according to the order. Now after you've entered the words, tap on the done option. You can see over here your recovery phrase has been backed up. Now tap on the option show recovery phrase. Tap on the continue option. Enter your passcode. Now you'll be able to see the recovery phrase over here. At bottom you'll be able to see the option for copy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now paste this recovery phrase somewhere. I'm going to paste it in my note. Now whenever you're trying to log into your account, they will ask you for the recovery phrase. All you have to do is paste this recovery phrase. So that is how you backup Tonkeeper recovery phrase. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.